What to yem rade? It's a yem out to me. Oh, man, you move a de. Ya brabo be ye fe. Nenupe, no ma ya pabe. Ye be ya pro yama ya kwabe. Papa was he council, he made the hill. Oko Jesse Jana wa braya ponyono.
Busia for me cheche obia. I believe say yahoya wo fie. Ame adom yeso yahoya wa ha. Na yes fix the country in your Ghana for be say fix your attitude. What is the attitude of the ordinary Ghanaian? The attitude of the ordinary Ghanaian is so beautiful. We are very respectful. We are very obedient. We are law-abiding. In fact, we are very hard workers. But what is the problem? The problem is the system. The problem is the country itself. So don't tell me say fix your attitude. What attitude? And you Ghana for you to kwan abegina man for my sweet. I dare not say Abu Dhabi ha ni ba we utwam wo so nko yisu can say zebra crossing. I'm afraid you lie bad. Am I not the same person? I'm the same person. I'm in Ghana. But here, the system is working. One chum kwan she you better fine. You be nya case. Men ye say, oh yeah, you be you say. Ntine de biano na wo de mrae den eye adwuma. But what do we see back at home? There's no systems like that. Nyese bi ni ho e wo ho, but it doesn't work. If you can't face the country and yet about catching the individual and so uncle fixing the attitude, everyone is already good. The Ghanaian people are very sound-minded people. You know what are you two coin I Ghana for? You would deep UAE Chrome Hanum particular. Sebi yenyu anum ma say mudi in Nigeria for and body and yes UAE worldwide obi enim say yenyu anum ma say ho. Aha Chrome high away. Pejuma when who say juma bi apai baby a say oh ye pe Ghana for ye pe Africans ye pe Uganda for ye pe way for bet no Nigerian should apply. At times say na ya rehosem. No Nigeria for ni bo hanum sebi na ora ho. Because the mukro ne dina say, but they be are the more Ghanaian people, Ugandans. Ye ni subayan. Okay, yes, you didn't say. Into what if ye pass out if you people have rise up, say, your friend is saying, young can be being buying or mining ye for you and I. And then you sit there, say, we over freeway say Jimmy Sam. No wonder see a mumbu bleeding. We know them. We know so many people. We are not okay. Me take room I'm not okay. Yes, we are not serious. Adi ahoya nti kasa wi a we be abegino akaza ofuro na see. I don't care. Obi na kan wona moble. Anye bia isi ya beto system papa mu. Me ye adwuma. Aji anho akatua pepepe. Obi nsisi me. Me ye adwuma enya nsuo me nkwasagata mu nsuo. met me ball attacks. I have every month free COVID. Free. Yeah, test years I have them my bread. The idea won't pay me my bread, but only that is the system. Vaccine buy free. Nti sɛ obi nipa bi asɔre ne amo ka sɛ fix the country ni problem ne deɛ nti sɛ wo party na wo mu na wo party na your power ne nti na me yɛ money di mbɔ ne wa bra wo timu sɛ ho kyerɛ what kind of attitude like esuban na kyerɛ sɛ for project amanfo postia ne can say social media da roma masa unko tamale da kura anum de ekoso tamale school we mu unko wa da kura anum say wa school we say na the condition tie ya dia postia to Facebook na hon sa na ba mu penfo pie yinani nano tema enye bebia o it is within the capital isi sansu wabra yewo sea wabra yewo lagoons wabra yewo rivers wabra yewo aba country ben krani wabra wo de machine two forms sisi ana nsu epi. Come and see Dubai here. Come and see UAE here. Insuo nyemo problem. Kromo insuo nyemo problem. Someone say higher desert. Yes, higher desert. Na desert dey en komo na nko wosen kisi komo di amonia na mo pe insuo cap ba kokora mo kire yam. Insuo ni problem. Okokasa hey ekura opera development yehu se wona fight corruption pe ne ye pe oku yehu se wona aka no kura pe adenti na wakoka sei what kind of people are we nti bi ndai sika die ne kakra ne me adwene makuro ne so ne ye nya biebi ma ne nya fe amanfo kru ha maban nyina abodi nyina nye before fa before ye fa te say dem te he ya me ye adwuma ani ahode na eboa me mo economy akosoro ya hode na ma eboa me mo development mo develop sad e fe ni say Ghanaian diaspora ni nyina senke mu ofie ana wa ma yedwuma tinke yenye dia na mo bitu kwai enye so opentem ababa hwe dan no ke ka dan ne dia nka Ghana ye okia otena hono na uboni YouTube a ohun dan ne hwe ni nyina bet obenye sika to no botom obenye sika bi dia build ne family obenye sika bi adi ahwefie eni nti na obie adwane ba check it asem kura keke imai yemuhu die tanya chesi yehu videos ne bia ya bre ntumi no kasi oba bi bua no hasa kukuit he Libya kwentuwi amanfo bre bi koko wu ya sha ntumi ne wo kasi ebi nam kwan so obi so beboa no ho obi akentim den next month o si kwan so akọ Libya dintia the country is not working, nothing is working. Na manfo bi asore say face the country now to ho say we nyanya nsasam ma we yetimi sem ma Musa same people na we are you turn back oh Charlie Boga also Charlie say unse me na obi am building the crew, obi am fixing the crew ni yie ama unua ne so mfiri Ghana ma ha te semete he ya ka benya bi asere. What kind of people are we? Wa woni tua o community nsuo ni ho. Kasane ma nsuo no so ne we ye bone. O community schools including a friend saying Dexent na so mma be ko ho nana be ko ho kasaniam provide emayam eye boni light nye adwuma yema stable light a friend say electricity o see yen kasa. What is our problem? In fact, at times, politics near you. You can be in whatever party you have. I'm NDC, you are MPP. It's okay, be there. But there is nothing parliamentarians will do and benefit you. There is nothing. They benefit you on check us out. Who boasini no check wo? Who boasini no check wo? Kumasini no check wo wala ni no fa ho. One kasa. One sorry they are okay. Huh? There are so many bottled water in Ghana. This insurance is a pure water business. I'm telling you, say MP be betimi a warehouse baako in obelodu so go de be horo ne car or de be horo ne fie or do be horo ne poboa or de mo de be senior ma pure water. What of you? Nti kasa ye ma nsuo kasa ne ma light kasa ye nya kwan ne ye na ukotonton wa de na odumi akwa aba safely. The problem ni the any say kasa fix the country one or being fixing adwene. What kind of people are we? They don't care about us. I'm telling you, they don't care. That is why they build outside. Wa build wo obese kuro ni yia ko be bedu wo fie enuma kese am won outside onim se honom na system ne ye obi ende ne sika ne de ne so otua tax ama aban no otu ho kura masa odi an se koto ababa me e bie adwuma honorable ne bie adwuma kura wonya bi nsa anye aban adwuma na aban na ngasa ombie bi emma ono honorable no so automan no obi adwuma no bia wo susu unsanya bi nye into problem e dey. Ghana is a country where if senyame ambem bonso we the 40 we the 50 na onya fu abrabom onya hwe. But check our own selves. Let's check ourselves say fairness in mu bi nya kwan kotu kwan krampa e di 2 months na ni body crashes like I'm sitting here. I wasn't like this before I left Ghana. I wasn't like this. Wa mu nimi hey obia nyame nko obia Ghana ni bia tu kwan sie na ni dimi na ni bibia sesa di entia asumdwe ebi esika ebi edwuma ebi good health o mine etim no senki yaye man etim ye from no utima na wotete aye tantan utiti aye basa no I titi asay but una step Ghanaian be step outside na Africa as a whole was step outside the continent pe ko do baby pe see na nyoma efefe adentia the system is working over there. Their country is fixed. Everything is going on smoothly. Ntusu kotomu pe, then it affects your life. Even if you also thinking be biasasa. Obu asu tu kwan wi ana ofi se wonu nyansa sen abem mpemfo. They were there too. Omo parliament maybe school or outside. They've schooled outside. They know the system. They were far better than Abrofo the class. So why? If not greediness, if not selfishness, then I didn't know be drew higher positions. See, ultimately, money affect your life. But also suffer. They know that people are suffering. Who suffer? Kasa was a derby. Obi o tu kwan anaso obi o yo o fie nyame that dom no what me aye okay kakra no can be pet no afa no time for what I mean how no one should talk again. Huh? Ghana pa there. You know, at times we have so many people that they want to talk, but they can't talk. Nkasa wontiminti na Ghana, ebi matina Ghana ameki. Those people, no, they are few. Monim kofobi, links here. Most of the times, mo kra na mu nyu obi a, mo kra na mu tiwe enye adwuma. Bete bi ma bom modern, ono mi so ono e ka na se wimfo ba, ami ko school ma mi yire mi hu, akwayire no hu wie. Ghana, tell me, after national service, what does the government has to offer? After national service, the government has nothing to offer you. You'll be there now, you two know, and I'm young girls, and so may I graduate to where you are, how may I graduate to a see, and they will graduate to any day now, day. Put if you we are on your platform, no, by you on my parliament to our culture or say in the youth are baba and pet entrepreneurship on pet normally always agriculture, farming. Obi nkasa agriculture, obi anya pe office job, obi person starting danko business keke. Startup business na startup capital na no the best start. Obi so starting brone nyoma bi ton keke. Edua keke. Startup bi bia is can they start. They don't get all. Useless thing projects and the beboa nipa na obi akọ nursing training na wie na yesi hospitals egu honum na mo beye ni yie na operate no owie nurse na obetimi akonya bi aye no schools ayesi si egu beebi na obi akọ training college ewie a ono so betimi akọ kire ade wo honum no na egu ho enye adwuma wa wonsi do si ni so bebia no keke na nurse for ma pon omo wie school na mo ti fie ni nkonya bi nye no o si daabi ebe si emu cathedral for what? Cathedral for what? Ebe si emu awards house for what? Dia na maye say agban mu pay for ho na ba me ma award dia na why you deserve award ayen kosi award house. Nyansa woman is saying so the $25 million equal the $5 million all because football. In fact, Charlie, vision for invention. Nyansa woman we mutimu ne professors ne doctors ne the eyi for no amenka obi a